Basics of Windows 7. What is a computer system? A computer is an electronic device which operates under the control of instructions stored in its own memory, and it takes the data from the user, processes the data, gives the result, and stores the result for future use. The input devices are those from which the information is introduced to the computer to be processed or transformed. Some examples are a keyboard, barcode reader, scanner, mouse, webcam, microphone, touchscreen. The output devices are those that show to the user the data previously transformed or processed. The most used are the printer, which shows the information in written form, the monitor, which presents the information in a visual form, the speakers, which present the information in sound form. The storage devices are the ones that permit to store or to save information. They are classified in main and secondary memory. The main memory is composed by ROM and RAM, and the secondary memory is composed by USBs, compact discs, and digital video discs, etc. The central process unit, also called CPU, is the component in charge to transform data into information. It is considered as the brain of the computer. Software is a set of instructions or programs that are introduced in a computer in order to carry out a process. To order a great variety of software, it is classified into system software and application software. System software refers to the operating system like Windows, OS X, Unix, and Linux. The application software permits to execute specific tasks from the user, like Word, Excel, AutoCAD, etc. The operating system is the most important program of a computer. It is defined as a program that permits the user to take control of the computer. The interface is the communications means through which the user interacts with the software. There are two types of interface. The command line interface, that is the type of interface in which the user introduces instructions or commands formed by characters. And the graphical interface is where the programs are achieved by selecting figures or icons that represent them. And the graphical interface, that is the interface in which programs are achieved by selecting figures or icons that represent them, or by displaying menus or windows. Windows is the operating system that dominates the market of computers, which since its operation has had different versions. The one that we're using is Windows 7. Minimum requirements of the system to use Windows 7 in computers are processor of 32 bits or 64 bits to 1 GHz or more, memory RAM of 1 GB or memory RAM of 2 GB, available space in hard disk of 16 GB or 20 GB, graphical device DirectX 9 with controller WWDM 1.0 or upper. The desktop is the working area and it occupies the entire screen. The mouse pointer permits to select one click and execute applications, 2 clicks. Some of the basic tasks of Windows 7 are to personalize the computer. For example, to change the image of the user's account, to change the background desktop, to change the color of a window, to change the sound of a system, personalize the icons of the desktop, and many others. The recycle bin is used as a file container where it is stored temporarily the deleted files. This permits to recover those files deleted by accident and recovers them to their original locations. There are many special tasks Windows 7 can perform, like defragment the hard disk, backup and restore, and have an antivirus. This in order to have your computer and your files secure. Thank you.